installing it. It's full software, full with loader. It's not very much bigger. It's a very good software. You see, it's for gaming, screen recorder. Now it's another version, new version. We have to copy and to paste to the file, to the location here. This is a software. It's very good, I see. As you see, all the yes, all the tiles. With F9 we can start and stop recording, and recording destination live. This is live streaming YouTube account. Yes, this is interesting. Full high definition. Yes, it's very good. I see. Yes, it's very good. As you see, this is a perfect recorder. Audio. You can select your you can select it. As you see, for photos. Yes, it's very good. So I hope you enjoy, and it's full activated. Full activated. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best.